This is a washdown rated, automatic, high-speed, weigh price labeling system for meat packages. This system contains 2 top labelers and a divert, which removes packages that are out of weight specifications. This weigh price labeler also features highly visible alert lights that illuminate when the label stock is getting low. This system will transform how you do weigh price labeling. A package is conveyed onto the pacing conveyor, which will bunch up the product. Next, the infeed conveyor will pull an equal gap between the packages by speeding each one up. This ensures that only one package is on the conveyor scale during the weighment process. The conveyor scale weighs the package and sends the weight information to the Scale Data System, or SDS, controller. An encoder tracks the front of the package by initiating a distance count once it breaks the beam of the conveyor scale's photo eye. The package proceeds onto the labeling conveyor, where a top weigh price label with date and lot information is applied. A second printer applicator was included to ensure this high-capacity labeling line stays operational. If a package is out of the predetermined weight bounds, a label is not applied and the package will be removed via the divert. This system utilizes 2 top printer applicators that label packages at industry-leading speeds and capacities. When the first printer applicator is low on labels, a red light will illuminate, letting floor personnel know the label stock is getting low. The system will automatically switch to the second labeler once the label stock on the first printer applicator is out. This allows plant personnel time to change out label rolls on the first printer applicator while the system continues operation. When the second printer applicator runs out of labels, the system will automatically switch back to the first printer applicator. Each of the 2 top printers is contained inside a NEMA 4X enclosure with a view window so that operators can see label stock status. The printers can be raised or lowered depending on package height and also rotated to ensure proper label placement. A label receives price, date, and barcode information, which is applied to the top of the package. Here are just a few of the features of this heavy gauge washdown weigh price labeler. A 3/16" thick solid stainless steel frame construction is an industry innovation that includes multiple durability benefits such as washdown compatibility, a rigid frame body reduces scale vibration, and maintains an aesthetic appearance that stays pristine for years. The build approach of this unit demonstrates its ability to handle harsh production floor environments. The washdown compatibility of this system is a first in the industry. To protect the printers, simply attach the bottom panel to the underside of the printer enclosure. All other components are already built for washdown compatibility. That's it, it's ready for washdown. The system is controlled by this ergonomic 17-inch touchscreen SDS controller. This controller executes all functions of this weigh price labeling system and records data into an Ethernet-accessible SQL database. The touchscreen can be rotated or tilted during product setup or product runs to accommodate varying worker height. A conveyor scale with photo eyes sends the leading and trailing edge of the package for proper weighment. An included transparent draft shield allows product visibility while keeping error-inducing drafts off of the scale. The design approach of this unit ensures you can label at high speeds, stay operational in harsh washdown environments, and repairs are affordable when needed. Contact us today to learn more about how we can reduce the hassles of weigh price labeling. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell to receive notifications of our latest videos. Check out our newly updated website and follow us on Facebook or X. Links are in the description. If you have questions or comments, mention them below.